Rich DeMiro here, Rich on Tech, with a topic that is near and dear to my heart, and a very serious one: pizza. This is a pizza that was made by a robot. It's from a company called Stellar Pizza here in Hawthorne, California, and they are building a robot that makes pizzas fully automated on the back of a truck so that you get your pizza faster and for cheaper. We're gonna check out the tech and we're gonna do a taste test of this in a minute. So let me first show you over here. So this entire machinery will fit on the back of a truck that will roll around neighborhoods. Inside here is the dough. That's where it's all gonna start out. The dough will come out here onto this little plate here and be smushed out onto a crust. And that crust is actually baked just a little tiny bit at the beginning to help the toppings get applied properly. And we'll come over here. Can we open up this truck to see the inside? So this is the actual robot that's doing a lot of the work. I mean, this whole thing is a robot. But I'm gonna open it. Am I okay to open this? Okay, I'm opening the robot. Here we go. So I'm inside here, I'm guessing is refrigerated because there's some, ingredients going on here. But you've got the first thing that's happening down here is the cheese is being applied to the pizza. And after the cheese is applied, you can see this pepperoni. See how there's different sticks of pepperoni? Well, they first tried doing just applying them all by hand, one by one, and then they realized, wait, why not just kind of slice off pepperoni where it's going to land on the pizza, and that's much better. Let me tell you something about this company. These are some SpaceX engineers, people that used to work at SpaceX. Now they're doing pizza. There they are right there, crafting the algorithm for the perfect pizza. Okay, so once the cheese, the sauce, the pepperoni is put on, any toppings, it's then going to go into one of 4 ovens that are on this truck. So again, all this stuff is loaded up onto a truck that's rolling around neighborhoods. So come on over here, we can see the sauce being applied right now. So you see how that sauce is going on there? Interesting, it's little like dots of sauce. And then there goes the cheese. And now it's gonna go, are we doing pepperoni again? And so pepperoni's going in. And then other toppings are over here. You can tell that there's other toppings because there's a little bit of excess. Okay, so when the pizza is finished, it takes about 2.5 minutes to cook the pizza. Once it does, this little machine is going to go in and grab the pizza. Now what's really neat is you can see the entire process on this giant board. And yes, it's fun to watch this, but there's also a reason for this. The reason is that the engineers can troubleshoot any part of the process that's not working just right. They can go in and watch the tape and see what went wrong. All right, we've got a fresh pizza coming out of the machine right now. Here it comes. And you can see the steam coming off that pizza, and now it's going onto a conveyor belt, and it's gonna end up over here. And this is where someone's gonna cut up the pizza, get it in a box, get it ready to go. So it's gonna come out right here, and while we're waiting for that, let's just do a little taste test, because that's the important part. So here is a pizza that was made from the robot. You can see we've got some pepperoni on there. It's got this nice crust that is nice and crispy. Cheese looks really good, and the pepperoni's on there. So here we go. Cheese is perfect, just the right amount. I love the way the pepperoni kind of curls up at the edges. That means it's really nicely cooked. The sauce is on point. I mean, I'm from New Jersey. I like my pizza. And the crust. Perfectly crispy yet doughy at the same time. So it's not too hard, not too soft. It holds everything on there really nicely. And all these flavors come together in a really nice way. All right, let me show you the truck that this is all gonna be in. Come on over here. So this is the truck that everything will eventually be inside, and what they're going to do is drive this truck around, park it, and people will be able to pick up their pizzas from this truck. Eventually it'll be roaming a little bit more, but they're targeting maybe 3 of these, 4 of these to start, as they build up this business. By the way, price of these pizzas, targeting $7 for a regular cheese, $8 for a pepperoni. So it's very affordable. And that's kind of the whole purpose of this, is to make fresher pizzas that taste better, you get them quicker, and the price is just right. So let me know what you think about Stellar Pizza and the automated pizza machine. I've had a lot of fun checking this out. And of course, the tasty pizza at the end is gravy on this whole situation. All right, thanks so much for watching. Rich DeMiro here, richontech.tv. Let me know if you have any questions about Stellar Pizza in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Take care. I'm gonna go have some more pizza.